Hi, welcome to this lesson of learning Microsoft Word with Great Tech Writer. I'm your host, Jeff. This lesson will focus on basic text effects. Text effects should be added to your document to catch the reader's eye. And you do that using bold, using color, using underline, and italics. So that's what we're focusing on. Let's get to it. The first way of adding text effects that I'll show you is using the toolbar. And the toolbar is located in this area. I'd like you to type the poem so that you can perform the same text effects with me. Do that now. Pause the video. We have a lot of rhyming words in this poem, and the first effect is to bold li, si, and ni. These this group of rhyming words. So we'll select and highlight the first of the three, li. We'll come up to the toolbar and look for this capital B. Notice that a little window appears right below the cursor that says bold. I'll take it away. You see it disappears. And as soon as you hover your cursor over a button, if you're not sure what it does, the computer tells you, the program tells you. Let's click bold. Let's do the same thing for C. And let's do the same thing for ni. We've done it, and now that we have done it, we decide we don't like it so much, we want to change our mind, we want to undo the bold. What we can do is come back up to the toolbar and notice that the B is shaded. If you click it again, it removes the bold text effect. If you want to add it, all you have to do is make sure it's selected again and click bold. Now, let's use two other rhyming words for underlining. And let that be jump and bump. So we'll select jump and come up to the toolbar. Look for the U with a line under it. That's underline, jump, and let's repeat the process for bump. Let's say that we want to remove it. We can click up here and that removes it. Or what we can do is we can use the top menu bar. And if we come up here to edit, we'll see undo underline style and repeat underline style. Let's repeat it. Now, we have another group of rhyming words and another text effect that we have to explore. And let that be nose, toes, and goes, that group. We'll highlight nose, and let's use the italics. So we'll come up here to the middle where it says capital letter I. That says italic. We're going to click that. And repeat the process with toes and then goes. Second way of adding text effects is by using the top menu bar. Take a moment and pause the video so that you can type in the poem as I have so you can do the effects with me. Now that you've typed it in to a new Word document, let's select the word seesaw and go up to the top menu bar, look for the word format, click on that, and then choose font. That pulls up the font pop-up window, and here this allows you to do a lot of the same things that are in the toolbar, but you can do them all at once. You can do multiple functions at one time. So let's say we want to change the font to, let's say, Luminari, and you see there's a preview screen here. We want to change the font style. We can say italic, bold, regular, and bold italic. Let's just say bold. We can increase the size or change the size. Let's increase it to 18. And let's have the font color. Automatic is black, but let's do something fun. And so let's do this sort of rust colored. Okay, and we'll say okay. Click OK. Now, that's a nice effect. It's bold, it's eye-popping. Let's see. Now you want to do other effects. So we're going to select. Let's choose the letter A in air, and we're going to go up to the top menu bar again. Notice font. Now, instead of always coming up to the top menu bar and clicking Format and Font, you notice this hot keystroke here. For Apple users, that's the Command symbol and the letter D. So we'll do that. If you have a PC, you'll have to hold down the Control and the letter D. So Command for Apple users and letter D. And that pulls up the font window, you can see, because that turned blue there. And let's change some things here as well. Let's say that we want to use, let's see, chalkboard. And let's make the size larger so we can see what the effect is. Let's say 20. And let's say that we want to underline it. And we want to have a double underline. And we want the underline color to be different. So let's make the underline color blue. And we click OK. And there you have that effect. And let's say that you want to change an entire word, and we can add strike-throughs or other effects. Involves using the right click. So you first select the content that you'd like to add the effect, and with it selected, you use your mouse, you right click on your mouse, then come down and select font, and you see it said Command B, Apple user, Control B for PC users, and it pulls this up, the familiar font pop-up window. Now here you can I'll move this over so you can see, and you have the example here, the preview here. You can change it to all caps, and let's say all caps, and let's add double strike through. First you select it, you right click, you find font, that pulls up the font pop-up window, and we're going to use simple effects this time. Let's have all caps, let's have double strike through, and click OK. Let's review. In this lesson of basic text effects, we smacked it like smoke. There he is. Let's review the 3 ways that we can access text effects. They are the toolbar, the top menu bar, and by right-clicking. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson of learning Microsoft Word with Great Tech Writer. If so, give me a thumbs up and leave a comment if you'd like. I'll respond to all comments. If you haven't yet subscribed so that you don't miss any future videos. Okay, let's keep typing up a hurricane. See you soon. Bye.